Hey y'all, it's Miss Unique Beauty in the building, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to get rid of the stiffness in your lock extensions. So my number one favorite product to use is this silicone mix, the bamboo edition. I just dump a little bit of that in my bowl. Then I go ahead and add some boiling hot water. I did boil my kettle 2 times just so that I can have enough water to fit all of my lock extensions in and submerge them completely. So once I pour that water in, I'm just gonna go ahead and stir that deep conditioner in that water. You wanna make sure that it's completely dissolved before you add your lock extensions so that you don't have any buildup in your locks. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and toss all of my lock extensions in there. I have a total of 120 lock extensions in this bowl. I have 100 of my medium size and 20 of my small size. For more details, check out the description box below. But this is what the locks looks like, completely submerged in the water. I kept them in this water for about 40 minutes because I wanted to make sure that they got soft enough and did not look stiff. Now this is what my lock extensions looks like before you soak them in that water. I custom make these lock extensions. These are 4 inches long. I like to make sure that my lock extensions are very dense and sturdy when I'm creating them because that will allow for your lock extensions to last long. And as you guys can see, the complete difference from when I first make it to when I soak them, they look so natural. I absolutely love it. Now this is my lock extensions that I have spread out on my towel so I can let them air dry overnight. If you guys love this video, like and follow for more content. I have plenty more content coming.